In this video, we're going to work on some equations. So don't let this scare you. It's very simple to do. So if you get a question like this and it says, what number makes the equation true? So we can see here 17 minus 16 equals some blank number minus 15. So we need to find this side of the equation that is also equivalent to this side of the equation. So first, all you have to do is solve this part. Okay, so 17 minus 16. Well, that's simple. We know the answer to that is 1. So then we're left with this mystery number minus 15, right? So we just need to solve for this mystery number. So all you have to say to yourself is, what number minus 15 gives me 1? And I think you know it's pretty simple that the answer to that is 16. We know that 16 minus 15 is equal to 1. And it doesn't matter which way you write this. So if you write this way, because it's easier for your eye to see it or to look at it and to understand it, 16 minus 15 equals 1 is exactly the same as 1 equals 16 minus 15. So don't let that confuse you or make you feel afraid, because it's just exactly the same thing. So the number that we're looking for is 16. 16 minus 15 is equal to 1. So the answer is 16. And if you don't understand this right away, don't worry about it. Just rewatch the video.